Welcome, dear viewers, to our channel. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey into the mystical realm of essential oils. Often overlooked, these potent elixirs are nature's gift to us, offering a plethora of health benefits and soothing effects. Whether you're a seasoned aromatherapist or a curious beginner, this video will uncover the unique properties of different essential oils. So sit back, relax, and let the enchanting world of essential oils reveal its secrets to you. Stay tuned as we delve into our first oil, the soothing lavender. Ever wondered why the scent of lavender makes you feel calm and relaxed? This is due to its soothing properties, which help to reduce stress and anxiety. Lavender essential oil is not just a treat for your senses, it's also a boon for your skin. With its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, it can help to heal minor burns and bug bites. Next in line, we have the invigorating peppermint. This fresh and minty oil is a natural energizer, providing a much-needed boost on those sluggish mornings or mid-afternoon slumps. But the benefits don't stop there. Peppermint oil has also been known to help with digestion and relieve headaches. Our third essential oil is rosemary. This aromatic herb is not only a kitchen staple, but also a potent essential oil. Known for its ability to boost memory and improve concentration, rosemary oil is perfect for those busy workdays. And let's not forget its antioxidant properties, which can give your skin a youthful glow. Next, we present the exotic frankincense. This ancient oil has been used for centuries for its calming and soothing properties. It's also a natural astringent, making it an excellent choice for skin health, particularly for those with oily skin or acne. Our fifth essential oil is tea tree oil. Known for its powerful antiseptic properties, it can help to fight off harmful bacteria and fungi. It's also a popular choice for treating acne, thanks to its ability to reduce inflammation and soothe the skin. Moving on, we have the luxurious rosehip oil. This oil is packed with vitamins and essential fatty acids, which can help to hydrate the skin, minimize scars, and even out skin tone. It's a perfect addition to your skincare routine if you're after that glowing, healthy complexion. Last but not least, we have the versatile jojoba oil. This oil is unique as it closely resembles the natural oils in our skin. It's a fantastic moisturizer and can also help to control oil production, making it a great choice for all skin types. In conclusion, these 7 essential oils can work wonders for your mind, body, and soul. From their calming and energizing aromas to their numerous skin benefits, it's clear why they've earned the title of essential. Remember, while these oils are natural, it's always important to use them correctly and in moderation. Dilute with a carrier oil before applying to the skin, and always perform a patch test to ensure you're not allergic. So, why not experiment with these oils and discover which ones resonate with you the most? Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing.
Have you ever wondered about the benefits of essential oils? These natural extracts derived from various parts of plants have been used for centuries for their therapeutic properties. Today, we're going to delve into the world of 7 standout essential oils and their potential benefits. First up is lavender, often referred to as the Great Balancer. Known for its calming and relaxing properties, lavender is a favorite among those seeking a peaceful reprieve from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Whether you're trying to unwind after a long day or seeking a peaceful night's sleep, a few drops of this floral oil might just do the trick. Next on our list is peppermint, the energizing spirit of the essential oil world. Just a whiff of this refreshing scent can wake up your senses, boost your focus, and even alleviate headaches. Now, we'll move on to the wise and ancient frankincense. Known for its spiritually uplifting properties, frankincense has been used for centuries in meditation practices. A few drops can elevate your mindfulness routine and bring a sense of tranquility to your day. If you're looking for a burst of freshness and positivity, look no further than lemon essential oil. This zesty oil is not only a natural mood enhancer, but also a fantastic addition to your cleaning routine. Our 5th essential oil, tea tree, is a true guardian of health. With its powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties, this oil is a must-have in your wellness toolkit. Prepare to be serenaded by the floral symphony of ylang ylang. This exotic oil is not just a delight for the senses, it's also known for its aphrodisiac properties and ability to promote emotional balance. Last but not least, we have the breath of fresh air eucalyptus. Perfect for respiratory support and clearing your mind, eucalyptus is a go-to during the colder months. Despite their potential benefits, it's crucial to note that essential oils are potent and should be used with caution. Some individuals may be sensitive or allergic to certain oils, and improper use can lead to skin irritation. And there you have it, the magnificent 7 essential oils for a healthier, happier you. Which one are you excited to try first? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative. Until next time, stay enchanted and take care. As we close this aromatic journey, we want to thank you for being with us, exploring the magical world of essential oils. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the knowledge and benefits of essential oils, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. We're excited to have you as part of our community. Until our next video, stay healthy, stay happy, and let the enchanting sense of nature guide your path to wellness.
It might be time to consider essential oils as a natural, potent addition to your routine. To kick off, it's crucial to select high-quality essential oils. Always go for those labeled as 100% pure and therapeutic grade. Remember, anything less might compromise your skin's health and the results you're aiming for. Now, these oils are potent, so never apply them directly. Dilute your chosen essential oil with a carrier oil. Common choices include jojoba, sweet almond, coconut, or olive oil. A rule of thumb is to mix 1 to 2 drops of essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil, but feel free to adjust according to your skin's sensitivity. Before diving in, perform a test. Apply a small amount of the diluted oil to your skin, wait for 24 hours, and observe if there's any adverse reaction. If not, you're good to go. Once you've passed the patch test, you can incorporate essential oils into your regimen. Use them for a facial massage. Add them to your moisturizer, or even make DIY masks with a base like yogurt, honey, or clay. However, be cautious around sensitive areas like the eyes and mucous membranes. And, if you're using citrus oils, remember they can increase sensitivity to sunlight. So, always apply sunscreen and store your oils in a cool, dark place. It's also important to know your skin type. Some oils, like lavender and chamomile, are suitable for most skin types. In contrast, oils like tea tree may be more suitable for oily or acne-prone skin. For specific skin concerns, consider the following. Tea tree, lavender, and chamomile can help with acne-prone skin. Frankincense, rosehip, and geranium have anti-aging properties. For dry skin, consider rose and ylang-ylang. And for oily skin, citrus oils like grapefruit and bergamot can balance oil production. If you're feeling adventurous, why not try a steam facial? Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to a bowl of hot water, drape a towel over your head, and let the steam do its magic. This can enhance the absorption of the oils and promote a glowing, but remember, if you have specific skin conditions or concerns, always consult with a skincare professional before introducing essential oils to your routine.
Ever pondered about the magic of hydrosols? Often overlooked in the realm of skincare, these aromatic waters hold a treasure trove of benefits. Originating from the distillation process of essential oils, hydrosols encapsulate the essence of the plant in a much gentler form. Hydrosols are like the softer, more delicate siblings of essential oils. During the distillation process of essential oils, the steam condenses into a liquid. This liquid holds both water-soluble and minute amounts of oil-soluble compounds of the plant, becoming what we know as hydrosols. So, in essence, hydrosols are the co-product, not a byproduct of this process, holding a plethora of their own unique properties. Now, on to the real question, why should one consider using hydrosols? Well, being gentler than essential oils, hydrosols can be used directly on the skin without dilution. Their mild nature makes them a perfect fit for sensitive skin types, including children's skin. They can also be used as facial mists, toners, or even in cooking for certain edible varieties. But remember, even though hydrosols are gentler, it's crucial to keep in mind safety and sensitivities. Pregnant or nursing women, as well as individuals with underlying health conditions, should always consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating hydrosols into their routine. And always pay attention to any signs of sensitivity or allergic reactions like redness, itching, or irritation. If any adverse reactions occur, it's best to discontinue use immediately. Consistency, as they say, is key. The skincare benefits from hydrosols, much like essential oils, are often seen over time with consistent and moderate use. It's not about a one-time application, but rather a sustained, moderate use that truly allows the hydrosols to work their magic. But how does one choose the right hydrosol? The answer lies in education. Understanding the properties of the hydrosol can help you choose the ones that align with your skincare goals. And if you're uncertain, don't hesitate to seek advice from a skincare professional or aromatherapist. Remember, individual responses to hydrosols can vary, so it's crucial to pay attention to how your skin reacts. Consider having periods where you skip using hydrosols to give your skin a break, especially if you notice any signs of skin irritation. In a nutshell, hydrosols are an untapped resource in the world of skincare. They offer a gentler alternative to essential oils without compromising on the benefits. Whether used as a toner, facial mist, or even in culinary delights, these aromatic waters are a testament to the wonders of nature, waiting to be discovered. So, next time you're exploring skincare options, remember the humble hydrosol. It might just be the gentle touch your regimen needs. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share the magic of hydrosols with friends who might need a gentler touch in their skincare regimen. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more such enlightening videos on the wonders of nature. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.